Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Few weeks back, we posted a video on guest bedroom makeover, which was inspired by the boho theme with ethnic touch. If you haven't watched it yet, the link is given in the description box. The guest bedroom has an attached bathroom, and in today's video, I will organize and decorate that. The idea is to make sure that the guests feel pampered enough. Also, this video is made in collaboration with Bulbul app. So, let's start the video. This is our guest bedroom and this is the attached bathroom. Quite simple yet very convenient. During the interior work, we had added one cabinet under the sink and a glass partition to keep the shower area separated. Now let's see how I've decorated this bathroom and organized everything. Before starting, I cleared everything from the bathroom. Starting from the walls, I placed this set of hexagon modern art painting. Its bright colors illuminate the whole area. On the countertop, I have placed this bathroom accessory set which looks beautiful. I have used a golden tray as base for it. Brush holder and tumbler will stay empty as these are meant for guests. To add to decor, I have kept this beautiful blue pot with marble pothos on the right side. Plants are simple, eco-friendly and cost-effective way to beautify almost any place at home. We have little space here in front of this window. Utilizing this space to keep this beautiful set of golden containers. I have kept Q-tips and makeup removal cotton wipes in these for easy access. Next to this is a tiny Bluetooth shower speaker for guests who prefer their music everywhere. It can also stick to bathroom walls. For pleasant aroma, I have placed this essential oil diffuser here which has a beautiful design on it. It also has a light and looks gorgeous. To use it, just add some water and few drops of essential oil of your choice and switch it on. Natural vapors keep the bathroom fresh and lively. I really like this piece and I got this from Bulbul app. Now let's move to the under the sink area. Here I have placed the liners to make this area look neat. Here I have placed a small jute laundry basket for guests to store their used clothes. Next I have made separate kits for different purposes. Let's look at them. In this acrylic clear container, I have kept dental essentials like brushes, toothpaste and floss. I have also kept a couple of shaving razors, loofah and a shower cap for the convenience, and extra pack of Q-tips. This caddy has toiletries like moisturizer, oil, shaving gel, deodorant, talcum powder and a face wash. In another basket, I have kept a small bottle of detergent in case guest needs it, extra toilet papers, disinfectant wipes, room freshener and essential oils. And this is the hygiene kit. I have placed a folding shelf to maximize the space, and all these kits are neatly placed there. I have also placed a light hair straightening machine for guests in this cover. Door space is utilized to hold a hair dryer holder using self-adhesive hook. No nailing required. This hair dryer is very cute and compact, which is also suitable for travel. I got both these hair styling machines from Bulbul app. All the items are neatly placed and easily accessible. Hopefully it should add to guest comfort and make them feel pampered. The toiletry kit can be easily picked up and directly placed on the countertop when needed. Guests can also keep their own personal items in this. Now let's move ahead. Next to the WC, the toilet brush is kept. I've used this style which keeps the brush covered, which also looks neat in the toilet. I have placed a dustbin to collect all the trash. We already have toilet paper holder installed here. I've placed a floor mat in front of WC to keep the feet dry. In shower area also, I have placed an anti-slip shower mat to prevent any accidental slippage. On the corner here, I have placed a small stool, bucket and mug. In the shower area, we already have these accessory trays installed in each corner. Next to the shower, I have placed a shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. On the other tray, I have placed a bathing soap with soap holder, in case guest wants to use a soap instead of shower gel. And lastly, I have placed bath towel and hand towel to complete the look. And with this, the guest bathroom organization and decor are completed. Whenever we decorate or organize for guests, it is important to keep their need and comfort in mind. Make them feel pampered. So this was all about organizing and decorating guest bathroom. Some of the items used in this video are from Bulbul app, like this laundry basket, this anti-slip mat, this hair straightening machine which is very lightweight, hair dryer, this aroma oil diffuser and this tiny Bluetooth speaker. They all are made of good quality and help me organizing my guest bathroom. Bulbul app is India's first video shopping app. You can check all the product demos and usages before buying any product, which is a helpful feature and makes Bulbul app different from other shopping apps. They have lot of categories and products to choose from. You can download the Bulbul shopping app by clicking the link in the description box. Links of all the products shown in this video are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching Simplify Your Space. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.